Hi everyone, I am Bindeshwar from Post Network Academy, and in previous videos I solved many problems related to how to find mean of a discrete frequency distributed data. In this video I am going to explain you how to find a frequency where mean is given. So first of all I am writing data distribution, thereafter we will understand the problem and we will solve. So if it is a continuous frequency distributed data, so of course there would be interval, so class interval I am writing, and frequency distribution. So class interval for a 0 to 20 frequency is 7. For a class interval 20 to 40 frequency is P. For a class interval 40 to 60 frequency is 10. For a class interval 60 to 80 frequency is 9. For a class interval 80 to 100 frequency is 13. So here you can observe that P is given. So we have to find the value of P while mean is given. Mean is 54. So finally what will happen? Mean formula will become an equation having variable P, unknown variable P. That means you can say that we have to find the value of P. So let us see how we will get that equation. So first of all you will find excise, that means lower limit plus upper limit upon 2, and that is 10. The same way 20 plus 40 upon 2, and that is 30, and others I am writing, so 50, 70 and 90. Now I am going to use step deviation method. So xi minus 50 upon 20, where A I am taking 50 and H 20. Basically it is class interval, size of class interval. Now let us calculate the value of ui. So first of all here 10, so 10 is excise, so 10 minus 50 upon 20 upon 20, so it will come minus 2. The same way 30 minus 50 upon 20, that will come minus 1. 30 minus 50 is equal. The same way here, because here 50 you have taken assumed mean, so 50 minus 50 upon 20, that would 0, and another one that would be 1 and 2. Now what you will require? You will require frequency into this observation, transformed observation. So that would be minus 14. Thereafter you are multiplying 7 by minus 2. Thereafter minus P 0, 9 and 26. Now let us write the formula of how to find mean. So x bar is equal to A assumed mean 1 upon, not 1, h upon capital N summation over fi ui. So here how will you get capital N? So add all the values, so that would be 39 plus P. just calculate yourself 13, and you will also require summation of these values. So summation of fi ui, and that would be 21 minus p. Now just put the value of x bar. So 54 is equal to 50, not equal, 54 is equal to, this should be equal to sign, and thereafter e 50, h is 20, n is 39 plus p, and here also you will multiply it by 21 minus p. Now it has become an equation, and if you solve, so the value of p would be 11. So it is your task to solve this equation. Once you solve, just put the value of p here 11 and find out the mean. You will get 54. So this was a question in which mean was already given. Now let us see another example where sum of all frequencies are given, and we have to find a frequency. Okay, let us see that. So this is the same type of question. So it is given that so the class intervals are given. I'm writing as Ci, and frequencies, corresponding frequencies. So 40 to 43, that is frequency is 31. 43 to 46, you can see that that is a exclusive one, exclusive classes. Okay, 31 and 58. Thereafter class interval 46 to 49, there are 60 observations, and 49 to 52, we don't know how many observations, we need to find, and 52 to 55, there are 27 observations. You need to find the value of f while x bar is already given, and x bar is 47.2. So the same type of question, but let us do it. So of course you will find out exercise. So you will add 40 plus 43, and thereafter you will divide it by 2. So I'm writing all the data: 41.5, 44.5. There is a difference of 3, so just add 3. So 47.3, thereafter 50.3, thereafter 53.3. Now let us find out u I. So here I am taking a is 47 and h is 3. So ui would be exercise minus 47.5 upon 3. See that here very clever trick, that if mean is already given, so take value as close as mean, so deviation should be very less. even so, let us, okay, and here mean is not 47 point, here mean is 47.5, not 2. So deviation, the value of a we are taking 47.5. So if you take deviation from mean, so sum of all deviations would be 0, and basically it will reduce the computation. If you direct take deviation from mean, so deviations would be 0. Now let us see, let us solve the question. So here u I, that means the first one would be 2 minus 2, thereafter minus 1, 0, 1 and 2, and you will require fi ui, and that would be equal to minus 62, minus 58, 0, f and 54. Here fi's, so sum of all fi's we will require, and that is 176 plus f, and we will also require here this one, so that is summation over fi ui f minus 66. And if you see the formula, so x bar is equal to a plus h upon capital N summation over fi ui. Now just plug all the values, so 47.5 a, 47.5 plus h, that is 3, n, that is 1, here I'm writing like this, so 176 plus f and 3 into, you have to write f minus 66. So you have to find the value of f, so I'm leaving upon you, and if you finally find out it, so f will come 44. So it is your task to verify it, and after finding, just put the value of f 44 here and calculate the mean, you will get this mean. So this was some problems related to not finding the mean. Mean is already given and you need to find the frequency. So hope you understood. Thanks for watching the video.